Okay, welcome to another Metric Nut Workshop walk around. Right, we've got this Kombi almost ready. Got the engine in, got it running. Can't remember if I showed you that last time. Twin carbs, 1700cc. And this is the one we put the IRS in, so it's now on the ground. Looking superb. Chrome wheels, the radars, got 4-wheel disc brakes, our kit on the front. And the owner's done a lovely work with the exterior bright work and all the pop outs, and chosen that great green and sort of off-white combo. So there's nice work on that. Just finished up this 1980 Vanagon Type 25, whatever you want to call it, 2-litre air-cooled. There's a carbureted version, and just had sort of we had an issue over the Christmas break, and I've gotten around to getting that all rebuilt for him, and it's just about to go back to him down in Arrowtown. So yeah, a 2-litre rebuild. That was a wee bit of a job, but yeah, it's good to get that one done. Got another Type 4 on the stand here. You can see that. Just getting a top end freshen up with new piston barrels, getting the heads redone, replacing the lifters and the push rods because there was some damage done over those. And yeah, done all the tinware for it, all that fan shroud and so on, so that will keep them happy. So that will go together this week. And we've got some other Type 4s and pieces. We've had a bit of a run on Type 4s recently, which we quite like them, so we're not bothered about it, but it just means there's lots of Type 4 stuff going on at once. Yeah, that blue van there, that had an automatic failure, and the owners decided to do the engine while it's here, so we've got that to do. There we have this new engine that we're going to put in this two-tone silver thing here that arrived the other week. So we've built that up. They'll probably go in pretty soon. It's one of those EMPI long blocks, and then we've put all our inlets on it, the alternator, the fan shroud and everything, just getting it all sorted for them. So nicely set up, nice and simple, and should get some great motoring for them. Over the back there, that's the Kombi with the engine that's currently on the stand for that top end freshen up. Yeah, so that's pretty much what's going on. Oh, we've got this one here. It's just a used engine that the clients want us to install into this little Beetle here that they picked up. So yeah, all good, and we'll be doing that in the next week or so as well. So just a quick shot what we're up to. Yeah, nothing else much to say, just been a bit busy to do these videos, to be honest. So yeah, so that's where we're at. Keep waiting for the next one. Please don't subscribe, please don't like. Yeah. Okay, a little bit of bonus material. I don't think we've showed it in here before, so this is kind of a quick snapshot of our wee showroom and office. Some of you may have seen it before, but this is where a lot happens, and a lot is on display. So I thought we'd just give a quick shot there. Here we go. So we had a shipment of gearboxes recently, nowhere to put them, so they're on the floor. Yeah, we've got swing axle, IRS, freeway flyer, 002 boxes, which is that sort of early Kombi, bay window style box with taller gearing, so it will suit all that sort of stuff. Yeah, and a few of them are already pre-sold, but if you want any, give us a call or flick us an email and we'll let you know what we've got or recommend what you should have for your car and go from there. Got this long block, managed to get one built up, so that's one of our rebuilt ones. It comes in slightly under the EMPI pricing one. Obviously it's used, so it's got rebuilt cylinder heads, rebuilt case, but it does come with a counterweight crank and new oil pump lifters, all the things you would expect, including a flywheel. So that's a 1600 twin port. Give us a call if you want to ask more about that. There's also some info on our website. Type 4 cylinder heads, getting through these reasonably quickly. As mentioned before, we've got a lot of Type 4 builds on the go and they've been sort of consuming them, but we do have a range there. I think we're currently out of square port ones, but we can get some pretty quickly. I'm pretty sure there's some on their way. So if you want the oval port ones, which are the ones up to about 1977, we can sort you out there, and that's that. And they're all brand new, complete. The AMC ones seem to be proving to be reasonably good. And generally all the rebuilders that are replacing the heads are using those ones. So yeah, we've also got got our standard, not standard, but standard for us, the narrowed beams options. So we've got the split window one there, the 3-inch link pin one there, and we've got that right hand drive ball joint Beetle one there, the 2-inch one. So that's really good if you're fitting alloys and you've got the drop spindles that will make everything fit. So that's ready to ship out. We can send that out straight away. And then behind that is one of the bay window ones that we do that also fit in the split, because of the sort of the double bolt pattern on the end there. You can see it's got an extra hole, so that will fit bay or split window, or if you want to get pedantic, the 69 only bay window. Yep, so plenty going on, plenty of things happening. Let us know what you need and we'll help you out. Cheers.